Tractor Oil. An engine oil which is developed with high-performance base oils and additives and has the capability to provide excellent protection to the engines and ensure better lubrication with better control on oil thickening, deposit control, etc. Eni has developed a special product, Rotra Multitech THT-IN, which is a multifunctional oil that meets all the requirements of transmission oil, hydraulic oil, as well as that of wet brake fluids. With the support of the international technology, this oil is capable of operating at high loads, resist wear, and provide desired friction requirements to ensure efficient braking.